Bayangkan kebebasan tanpa batas, melayang tinggi di udara, melintasi cakrawala dengan kecepatan dan presisi. Inilah Rictor Skyrider X1, bukan sekadar drone, tapi simbol inovasi masa depan. Dirancang dengan teknologi aerodinamis mutakhir, Skyrider X1 hadir dengan baling-baling karbon ringan, sistem stabilisasi cerdas, dan bodi ultra-tahan benturan. Bobotnya ringan, tapi kemampuannya luar biasa. Didukung mesin brushless generasi terbaru, Rictor X1 mampu melaju hingga 120 km per jam, dengan daya tahan baterai hingga 40-minute DI mode terbang aktif. Cocok untuk eksplorasi, cinematography udara, maupun balap drone. Rictor plans to release two variants of the Skyrider X1, the X1 SL and the X1 SX. The SL model comes with a 10.5 kWh battery offering up to 25 minutes of flight time, while the SX version boasts a 21 kWh battery capable of up to 40 minutes of flight. These models cater to different usage needs and preferences, especially in terms of range and endurance. While still in the prototype phase, the Skyrider X1 has sparked immense curiosity and excitement. Rictor has announced that development is expected to progress in the near future, with the potential for commercial production within the next 3 to 5 years. However, the project is currently still under conceptual development. Rictor will release two variants, the X1 SL, 10.5 kWh battery, 25-minute flight, and the X1 SX, 21 kWh, 40 minutes. Although still in the concept stage, the Skyrider X1 has attracted a lot of attention and is predicted to be mass-produced in the next 3 to 5 years. However, there are still questions about the price and whether users will need a flying license. What is clear is that the future of transportation is getting closer. The features a transformative design that allows it to shift from ground mode to air mode seamlessly. Once airborne, it can fly for up to 40 minutes and reach top speeds of nearly 100 km per hour. This is made possible by its 4 mechanical arms, each equipped with a pair of propellers, giving it a total of 8 rotors for stable flight.